Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that's often overlooked in our beauty routines, but is crucial for overall health and radiance: oral care. Today, we're diving into the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 and the Cordless Power Flosser 3000. This dynamic duo promises to take your oral hygiene to the next level, tackling plaque, improving gum health, and offering a more effective, gentle brushing experience. The Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is a rechargeable electric toothbrush designed to remove up to 10x more plaque compared to a manual brush. It's equipped with a pressure sensor that signals when you're brushing too hard, helping prevent gum damage. The BrushSync technology alerts you when it's time to replace the brush head, ensuring you're always using the most effective tool for your oral health. Plus, it comes with a progress report to guide you toward better brushing habits. As for the Cordless Power Flosser 3000, it promises up to 150% more effectiveness than traditional floss for healthier gums. Its unique quad stream technology creates 4 wide streams of water, offering a deep clean between your teeth and along the gum line. It's the perfect partner to your toothbrush, offering a more thorough and convenient way to floss. I've been using both products for a few weeks now, and let me tell you, they've transformed my daily routine. The toothbrush feels incredibly gentle on my gums, and the pressure sensor ensures that I'm never overbrushing. The different cleaning modes, including deep clean and gum care, cater to various needs. So whether you're looking for an intense clean or something gentler, there's an option for that. The flosser has quickly become a must-have in my routine. It's easy to use and does an amazing job of getting to the nooks and crannies that traditional floss just can't reach. Plus, no more stringy mess, just a quick, effective clean. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, both the toothbrush and flosser are incredibly effective. The toothbrush delivers a thorough clean without feeling harsh, and the flosser is hands down the easiest way to floss I've ever tried. The tech features, like BrushSync and the pressure sensor, are super helpful for ensuring that I'm brushing correctly. On the flip side, both devices do require regular charging, which, while convenient, can be a bit of a hassle if you're used to manual options. And the price point is on the higher side, but considering the advanced technology and performance, I think it's a solid investment for long-term oral health. When it comes to value for money, it's important to assess whether you're getting a significant return on your investment. For me, the answer is yes. The combination of advanced features, effectiveness, and overall quality justifies the cost. The ability to monitor and improve my brushing habits alone is worth it. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other electric toothbrushes and flossers on the market, but I haven't found anything that matches the level of personalization and effectiveness these Philips devices offer. For a similar price, you might find a toothbrush or a flosser, but this combo really stands out with its added technology and ease of use. As for build quality, both devices feel sturdy and high quality. The sleek black design is both stylish and practical. The flosser's water tank is easy to refill, and the toothbrush has a solid feel that makes it clear you're investing in something built to last. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I didn't have to reach out to customer support during my experience, but Philips is known for providing strong customer service. So if you ever run into any issues, I'm confident they'll be responsive and helpful. As for alternatives, if you feel the price tag on the ExpertClean 7500 is too high, you can find more affordable electric toothbrushes and water flossers. But they might not offer the same combination of smart features and efficiency. The Philips Sonicare and Power Flosser are definitely high-end options that deliver. To wrap things up, I can confidently say that the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 and Cordless Power Flosser 3000 are a game changer for oral health. If you're serious about keeping your teeth and gums healthy, this combo is worth the investment. It's effective, easy to use, and designed to support better brushing and flossing habits in the long run. Thank you for watching. If you've used these products, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.